After recently petrol price reached century in India, people are looking to use bicycle once again. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how can attach headlight, backlight and decorated full bicycle using LED and batteries, and also how can attach the speedometer, electronic display to get know about your cycle speed. So let's get started. First of all, what we need? So we need small two pieces of metal wires. Next we need food container. If you online food order, then you will must receive this kind of 500 ml food container. If it is a white color, it will be very good. Next thing, we need batteries. You can use lead acid battery, you can also use lithium ion battery. So as the lead acid battery price is low, so I'm gonna use lead acid battery. Battery is gonna be 4 volt and around 1 ampere. That's mean we are gonna attach two 4 volt batteries in parallel. Next thing, this is very vital. This is a 12 volt 1.5 watt light. This is a white LED light and this is pretty powerful. So its price is around 10 or 20 rupees in local market. This is called 6009 step up DC module. This is all. I will give the best buy link of this product in the description. It will be around 100 rupees. Next we need one switch is there, and we need 4 different color: red, green, yellow, blue, whatever LEDs. And next thing, we need 100 ohm 1 watt resistors. Then we need some optional LED caps. So this is not mandatory. Next thing, we need some zip ties. So this is very much needed. Zip ties is gonna be very vital in this project. So first of all, let me take 4 holes in the bottom side of the food container. We will pass the metal wire through it so that we can hang it in the middle rod of the bicycle. So in this way, this is gonna be the project. So it will hang from the middle rod of the bicycle in your front, and everything will be there. As it is a food container, it will be fully waterproof, so no worries about the water or the raining season. It will work very much perfectly. So that's why I have choose this kind of food container. Here you can see we will hang this way in the front rod of the bicycle. So I'm gonna use normal standard Hercules bicycle, about 20-inch its height. So we'll do another hole in the side to attach the on off switch. So switch is depending upon which type of switch you are gonna use. I'm gonna use this kind of black on off, very standard switch you will get in your local electronics shop around 5 rupees. So this is pretty much available thing. This kind of battery also will get local electronics or electrical shop, or basically the rechargeable emergency light, where you can see this kind of batteries you will get around 40 or 50 rupees each. If you're gonna lithium ion battery, you can have to order from big shops. So this is gonna be the how the connection I will talk about little bit later in this video, but here you can see how it looks like. So 2 wires will be coming from the switch itself, and the another important thing is that you have to use male and female jumper, this kind of thing. This is gonna be very vital role, because this will detach your battery and step up module from your cycle, so that you can take it out when you are not with your cycle or parking any other public place, because in India everywhere is the thefting. So this is looks like how the circuit diagram. Let me talk about one by one. So from the bottom side, the battery will be parallelly connected, then the minus of the ground will be connected to the minus of the 6009 module, plus of the 6009 will be in the switch, and switch will be connected via jumper. So we will detach in this way. So next thing, the right side another 2 jumper is there, 12 volt out and ground will be there. So from there, the main white color for backlight or the front headlight will be there, and the backlight and other LED decorating 4 LED we will use in the series, so that it will handle the 12 volt, and the resistor as a 100 ohm 1 watt will be there. So this look like pretty simple circuit. I will give the circuit download link in the description. So now let me talk about how to attach the light. Here you can see I have made the 4 or 6 holes in the cover of the another food container, and the LED light will be right away there. So we'll attach it in the front side and make sure it is 90° from the bottom, so that it will always see in the front, not towards up, not towards down. So here you can see we have attached using zip ties. So next thing, I will also give the download or the buy link of this product, which is the speedometer. It will be around 300 rupees, very much cheap, I can say. So in the top, as it is a cheap, it does not have backlight. To use it is light, will attach another LED from the top of the speedometer, so that we can read the value speed in the night. So here you can see we have also attached one metal wire in the from the bottom, so that it will hang from the lower part and it will not be slide down. So in this way you have to attach, and it depends upon your cycle design. So do use your brain and attach this kind of thing in your cycle. And so here you can see how it looks like. So red, and this kind of jumper, 4-pin jumper, you have to detach and take out the battery to charging. So when you keeping cycle in a public place, there is no threat of the being your product or the battery is being theft. Another thing is the speedometer display is also being detachable from the clip is there from the dock. So everything you can take in your pocket and go to your school or office, whatever you want. So there is no problem. And this kind of plastic container will be hanging there, so I don't think this is gonna be very much costly. And here you can see in the front wheel one LED is there, and 4 LEDs, 4 color LEDs, all are connected in series, so that 3 volts each and 12 volt total. So it will be divided 3 volt each from the 4 LEDs. So in the front wheel I am gonna use blue color LED, so when I am riding on cycle it will looks pretty good. Now I am covering up the battery panel. So in this, so you have to cover up from the top the battery panel, so that no water is there, and you can also use it in rainy season. And here you can see another LED I'm gonna use in the back wheel and as well as in the back light, which will be the red light. In the front here you can see the white LED is glowing very brightly, and the top the green LED to see the reading of the speedometer, and here you can see the blue LED is glowing up, and it looks like pretty good. So when you riding on cycle it will looks awesome. And here you can see in the back wheel I am also going to use a green color LED, and the back light it will be, as we all know, every car in the back it will be a red LED or red light. So here it is how it definitely looks like in the dark condition. So if you are gonna ride cycle in night where there is no street light is there, I think this is gonna be pretty much useful. Here you can see there is no light in my room right now, and here you can see I can see in the front, and the back side you can see it's totally dark. So here you can see the time and display. You can also see green color LED is very good. So green or white, I must recommend use green or white color LED from the display. And if your speedometer have the backlight, you do not have to worry about it. So that's it, how you can decorate your full bicycle in the time of where the petrol or diesel prices rising very quickly. And here you can see how to charge. You can definitely charge it using mobile charger very easily. Just take a USB cable, cut the plus minus wire and attach it here. So yellow will be the plus and black will be the minus. So you can definitely use mobile charger, but as I have some voltage controller, own voltage controller charger, so I'm gonna use it around a 4.8 volt. So 4.8 to 5 volt input DC is gonna be very enough, and do not give more power above 1 ampere. So use 5 volt 1 ampere charger from old mobiles. It will be pretty much useful and handful. So here you can see the voltage of the battery right now 3.5 volt, where the standard voltage is 4 volts. So battery is down, and now I'm gonna charge the battery. So here you can see when I'm charging, the load voltage is 4.6 or 4.7, which is pretty good. So you can definitely use a old 5 volt 1 ampere mobile charger, or you can also use your own homemade 5 volt or 4.8 volt power supply. So this way you can use it. So that's it in this video. Do let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful or not, and like this video, share this video, and comment if you have any question and query. So thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, be safe, and use bicycle for your health and wealth.